Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Angel. I used to do a bunch of makeup videos on my YouTube channel, which I'm still going to continue to do, but now I found other things that are more interesting to me, more important to me, rather than just filming makeup videos. So I'm going to change up my channel a little bit. I am actually deleting a lot of, or most if not all of my videos, my previous videos that I have uploaded. So now it's going to be more of things that I'm enjoying doing, which is like my cleaning routines and stuff. Not that I have a specific routine for anything, but more cleaning videos, food videos, just spending time with my kids, more about stuff that is important, not just filming makeup videos. And like I said, I will have makeup videos here and there because I still do enjoy doing my own makeup, so if I have time, why not film it? But anyway, I hope you guys like the change on my channel, and I hope you guys subscribe and click the little bell down below. That way you all can be notified every time I upload a video. So again, welcome to my new channel, and I'll see you guys in my next videos.